Hello guys, welcome in today's lesson with the Unza Graduate. In today's lesson guys, we are going to look at mathematics paper 2 G9 internal exam for 2024. We are going to just look at the construction part. So we're doing just because of the exams, we're doing just the revisions. So according to this question, it was C1. It said use geometrical instrument to construct triangle ABC, in which AB is 9 centimeter, angle ABC is 70 degrees, and angle BAC is equals to 50 degrees. 1 mark. So what you need to understand here that AB, this is the base here. This is the base. So when constructing a triangle, you have to start with the base. You have to measure the base first. You say AB is 9 centimeter. So we are going to measure 9 centimeter here. We are going to measure 9 centimeter. But this is how we are going to measure 9 centimeter. We'll start from here. Here to here. Then we use the pencil like this. So we are going to say this is AB, 9 centimeter. You indicate 9 centimeter. So we are done with the base. So we are going to look at the angle ABC. ABC. That means B is somewhere here. So the angle that we need is the angle which is found on B. We will focus on the middle number, which is here, B. So 70, that means it will be somewhere here. So that means for us to find this angle ABC, which is 70 degrees, we need to put our protractor at B here. We get our protractor. This is our protractor. We put it at B. It must be straight. We put it here. Straight with the line. So here you must make sure that this one is seen. So must be straight. Even the line here must be also straight. You can see here straight, here you put here must be on point B exact. Then the angle saying B supposed to be like this. Straight with 0, straight on the point here. Even this line must be, this 0 must be straight with this line, then you on point 0. Then you have to start counting from here up to 70. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So that means 70 is here. That means 70 is somewhere. That's where 70 is. So now you get your rule. You do like this from point B and the point where I have to take as this 70. You just draw a straight line. you have to draw a straight line. So you see, this is the line for C. Then you go to BAC 50 degrees. That means you have to put your protractor at A, the angle the letter which is on the middle. You say you put it here now like this 0. That means you start from this 0 which is inside when you put it this side. Like this. Then you say 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That means 50 is where there's 1/3 on top here. Like this. Then you get your rule like this. You measure from point A. Where is the point A here? Like this. So where this angle for 50 degrees and the 70 degrees they are meeting, that's where there's point C here. So where they are meeting, you can use this one. You do this. You put a point like this. So this is a triangle 1 mark. So our next question is saying measure and write the length of BC. BC is this one. So you need just to get BC like this. Say you put from this point to this point. So BC is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Then our third question was saying bisect the sides AB and BC and let the bisectors meet at O. So when you are told to bisect at the angles, you use there is a way you do it. But let me show you how to bisect the sides. It's talking about bisect the sides AB. So we need to bisect AB and BC. So we are going to first to say AB. We bisect AB. We are going to get our. So this is how we are going to bisect AB. We make an arc which is more than AB, which is more than AB, or which is more than half of AB. We do it this side. We make an arc this side. We go to A again. We make an arc. Again this side we make an arc. Again we go to B again. This side we make an arc. So what you need to understand, the point where they are meeting, we can put we can make hose, a small hose, so that we won't make a mistake. So we get a loop like this. We can measure like this. That means we have bisected the AB. We'll go again to this side. We make an arc which is more than BC. We say we make an arc this side. We come this side again. We make an arc. We go to B to C again. We make an arc this side, and again this side we make an arc. So where the point they are meeting, the bisector of BC where they are meeting is here and here. So we can make to my holes here by putting like doing like this part, like this, so that we won't make a mistake. We can measure now. We can measure. So in an exam, if you want to see if your bisectors are correct, you can measure. A bisector of AB has to be half of AB. AB is, according to AB, is 9 centimeter. When you look at 9, according to 9 centimeter, half of 9 centimeter is 4.5. It's exact on 4.5. This is 8 centimeter. So when you look at this bisector, is exact on 4. That means the half of 8 is 4. That means the bisector are correct. So now they are said mark the bisectors where they are meeting as point O. So where they are meeting, the bisector of this one and this one they are meeting is here. That's why you are going to say mark it as point. You're going to make it as O like this. So that's the way you are going to do it. So our last question was saying with center O and radius OA, draw a circle which passes through the vertices A, B, C. They are saying radius OA. So that means this one is the radius OA. So you are going to start on radius OA. So OA, radius OA, you are going to do it like this. You put it on A here. Then you have to make sure that it passes the circle. So you are going to say this is where there's a point A exact. You start by making round of the circle now. So this is how you do it. You make sure that it rounds, it's able to touch all the sides. So thank you guys for watching this video, for having time to watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. You must always remember the Unza Graduate is where learning never stops. See you in the next video.